Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an exciting investment opportunity, peer-to-peer lending. If you are interested in exploring this alternative form of investment and want to learn about its pros, cons and best practices, you have come to the right place. So let's dive in. Introduction to peer-to-peer lending. In this section, we will provide you an overview of peer-to-peer lending. You will explain what it is and how it works. You will learn how peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with individual lenders, eliminating the need for traditional financial intermediaries. The pros of peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending offers several advantages for both lenders and borrowers. We'll explore the benefits of this investment option, such as higher potential returns compared to traditional savings account, diversification of investment portfolio, and the ability to support individual and small businesses in need of financing. The cons of peer-to-peer lending. While there are many benefits to peer-to-peer lending, it's essential to understand the potential risks and challenges involved. In this section, we will discuss the downsides of peer-to-peer lending, including the possibility of default, lack of regulatory protection, and the need for thorough borrower due diligence. Choosing the right peer-to-peer lending platform. Not all peer-to-peer lending platforms are created equal. In this section, we will guide you through the process of selecting the right platform for your investment needs. We will discuss factors to consider such as platform reputation, loan type offered, borrower vetting process, and platform fee. Managing risk in peer-to-peer lending. Like any investment, peer-to-peer lending carries inherent risk. We will share strategies to mitigate these risks and protect your investment. You will learn about diversifying your loan portfolio, setting lending criteria, and utilizing tools provided by the lending platforms to minimize potential losses. Conducting due diligence on borrowers. To make informed lending decisions, it's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence on potential borrowers. We will provide you with a checklist of factors to consider when evaluating borrower profiles, loan descriptions, and financial documents. You will learn how to assess creditworthiness and make prudent lending choices. Maximizing returns in peer-to-peer lending. In this section, we will discuss strategies to maximize your returns in peer-to-peer lending. We will cover topics such as selecting loans and favorable risk-reward profiles, utilizing automatic investment tools, and implementing a disciplined approach to lending. Monitoring and reinvesting. Once you have started lending, it's important to monitor your investment and reinvest your returns wisely. We will share tips on how to track loan performance, manage repayments, and reinvest funds to compound your returns over time. Congratulations, you now have a solid understanding of peer-to-peer lending, including its pros, cons, and best practices. Remember to choose the right platform, manage risk, conduct due diligence, and implement strategies to maximize your returns. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.